Once upon a time, thousands of years ago, there was a small community living by the banks of a great river. The people there needed to figure out how to measure their lands for farming, calculate the crops they harvested, and keep track of numbers in their trade. They didn't have the advanced tools we know today, but they began developing simple methods to solve these problems. In Mesopotamia, the Sumerians and Babylonians invented ways to count using sticks and clay. They used a system based on the number 60, which we still use today to measure time and angles. Around the same time, in ancient Egypt, the pharaohs used mathematics to build the magnificent pyramids, where they needed to understand geometry, distances, and angles to ensure these wonders were constructed precisely. Then, a new civilization emerged on the shores of the Mediterranean, the Greeks. There was a philosopher named Pythagoras who discovered a secret connection between numbers and music. Another great figure, Euclid, decided to compile all the known knowledge of geometry into a book he called the Elements, which would be used by scholars for centuries to come. Centuries passed, empires rose and fell, but knowledge did not disappear. During the Middle Ages, in the Islamic world, science and mathematics flourished. A scholar named Al-Khwarizmi not only solved mathematical problems, but also invented a new method for solving them, which he called algebra. In Europe, after the Dark Ages, the Renaissance began. People started studying old books again and adding to them. A mathematician named Fibonacci introduced the Hindu-Arabic numeral system to Europeans, making calculations much easier. Then came a time in history when two of the greatest minds appeared, Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz, who discovered a new mathematical secret called calculus.